Hey everybody, welcome back to another weekday.
Hey, what's up everyone?
But you'll see this video posted on the weekend for sure. But in order to get to the weekend, we need this Jeep up and running because we're headed to the Mint in just a few days. So check it out. If you guys watched the ending, you guys know there were some major bearing damage. So if you want to scooch over, we found a place that has a whole kit. All in all, we ended up spending $230 more.
Oh yeah.
But I mean, hey, so we reached out. We even tried calling around for transfer cases. We did find a guy in Glendora. Shout out to, what was his name? Mark? Matthew. Shout out to Matthew in Glendora. Kevin had questions because he had a transfer case ready and we were literally almost about to buy it. It was $400 and then the core.
With the core.
So, good thing Kevin was like, hey, can I talk to you, ask about some questions. Kevin mentioned, oh, I have the SYE kit. He was like, oh, that's not going to work out because he has to tear apart and switch parts around. So it did not work out, but he referred us to where these parts were. So he referred us to where to get this. And Kevin was there, and the same shop actually works with the shop that actually built our 7.3 transmission.
Right.
So like everyone's connected. So that was totally cool. Like.
Yeah, it was awesome.
So yeah, let's get everything. We're ready, guys. We'll get everything assembled, and.
Well, second time's charm, right?
Technically third, because remember you forgot that spring in the water pump. So you're cracking this open for like the third time.
See? Experience. In less than a week.
Alright guys, let's get to it. What's up, guys? Alright, guys. Day 2. Just everything's installed. Just getting the cable shifter link thingy-majig to shift from 2-wheel to 4-wheel installed before getting everything under there.
I really like this design. It's so simple.
Yeah, we did try. It wasn't in last week's video, but we did.
We tried the bracket, but then there was too many pivot points.
It was just
this one is just one simple connection. 2 mounting brackets. So this one mounts to the car, the body, and then this mounts to the transmission and subframe.
So
I mean transfer case.
All right, everything.
So
we're ready to get her in. Let's go.
Cool.
Round 2.
Good thing I worked out already. Let me lay down and I'll put on my belly.
Dude.
Every time I think about this is remember the transmission.
Yeah, that transmission drop on that dude. Oh my god. This is not the same scenario.
Oh shit, oil's got on my face.
It's a little dark. Let me see if I can get some light. Oh, this Milwaukee light always causes a glare. Hopefully it doesn't do that.
All right. Whew.
All right, now it's just you just got to get all the drive shafts in and connect everything.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll be done. And then we'll put the oil in and
take it for a test drive.
Yeah, we got
I'm
2
gonna
days.
I'm gonna take it to work this morning.
Yeah, we got 2 days to try to get this on its feet. Well, I mean, it's on its feet, but you know what I mean.
Rolling. Without any noise.
Alright. Alright, guys.
Ooh, 3rd time's charm.
Alright, so oil time.
Oh, dude. Gotta put the drain plug.
The drain plug. So really quick, we're going to opt for the pump this time because the manual pump, because the battery operated one was just too fast, so we had a slow reaction time turning that off. And then we bought new oil because when we emptied it, it was pretty dirty from all the old bearing shavings and all the shavings from the bad parts. So we just opted to get fresh new oil.
Okay, let's do this.
And Lexi's excited too.
Wishful Wednesday.
All right, let's go. We also fixed that. Kevin also fixed that drain plug, by the way.
So what I did is I just basically welded a bolt to it, or
Now you can just easily twist it off.
And then with the heat, it kind of distorted all the rust. And then there, I just got it out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this one on the bottom, so when we drain it, we take it out. You know how the oil always spills out onto your hand?
Yeah.
So with this, I think it'll solve the issue.
Sweet. Oh, there's the drain plug. Oh, there's the drain plug. There.
So that goes in there. You wanna just hold the bottle?
So here's the manual pump way. There you go. Oh, that one's a little kind of bad.
There you go.
Alright, well, you guys get the concept. We'll finish this up, seal it up, and we'll start it in a bit. Alright. We're gonna go for a quick spin real quick. Let's check it out. Garage.
All right, fingers crossed.
I mean, the reverse sounds pretty quiet. Let's see. I don't know, what do you think?
I think it might be the rear diff.
Well, there's a little bit of noise, but it's not the transfer case. The transfer case sounds good. I mean, it sounds good overall.
Yeah, that might be the front diff.
Okay, so we only worked on the rear diff.
Yeah.
Another list on the project.
Well, the 4-wheel drive works.
Oh yeah, the shifting works now. Oh.
Yeah, so right now it's in neutral.
Okay.
So yeah, so that is I think it is the diff.
Say hi to Shelby real quick.
Hey, so this is the man that helped us out. Say hi, Shelby.
What's up?
We just
Good night.
We just redid the transfer case. New bearings.
Sounds like it's running good.
So we put it all back together, and then all the bearings are bad. So I had to take it back off last week.
It was bad. He kind of just disregarded that it was bad.
Yeah, so
I mean,
hopefully it's better now.
You should have assumed that since there was no oil in the
Oh.
transfer case. You could have gave me a call. I would have given you my expert
I
opinion.
know, right?
Yeah. Alright, so I mean, all in all, everything sounds better. I think, well, I'll probably have to check in with Kevin later when he drives it. You're taking it to work, right?
Yeah, so I think that has to do with the diff.
Okay.
So at least the transfer case sounds a lot better.
Yeah, I mean, it drives.
And then plus
Feels like it drives good. I don't know. So it's just, now we just gotta work on the diff.
yeah, at least it drives better.
Alright. Alright, Kevin's headed out to work. And from here it sounds good. So it's just the diff. Alright, we'll check back in later today. Alright guys, we
just got back from the Mint 400.
Yeah, and obviously we left this thing at home. If you guys been following my Instagram stories, we left her at home. All in all, Kevin had been driving it to work for the last couple of days that we did finish up the transfer case. The transfer case, we did a pretty good job for the second time around. All in all, we replaced that fork initially, but didn't replace anything else, so that was a fail. Second time around, we got the correct parts, the bearings, and it works great. And yes, there's oil in it. It works great. All in all, there is still a noise, and we believe it's probably the diff. So Kevin will tackle that on for another day or so, for another time. For now, he took the drive shaft out. It just puts less stress on it. I don't know.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to figure it out. Why I personally think that there's something when we did the mesh on it, something was probably incorrect, and now I'm paying for it.
Yeah, so
I'm gonna just work on that and tackle that.
Yeah, I think he just needs to.
The actual transfer case itself, it worked out great.
Oh, yeah.
It's super smooth, so when I drive and I put it in neutral, it just coasts super smooth.
Oh, yeah.
And then, yeah, it's been driving it. Everything's just front wheel drive at least. So.
Yeah, and then all in all, thanks for all the additional comments and suggestions, especially about the oil, the 5W30. We weren't sure if, that was gonna work or not, but, shout out to everybody that's commented and offered their help as well. We did it. So, but thanks for offering, thanks for reaching out through Messenger or YouTube. We appreciate the feedback. Definitely always helps. When you guys are reaching out to us, it helps out a lot. And we're very grateful. Other than that, guys, it wraps it up for this weekend. We're pretty beat, just working on the transfer case all week and then heading to the Mint. It worked out, by the way, because we brought the Can-Am and we got to, take it off to go spectate and stuff, and that was a lot of fun. So, we'll that's it for this weekend. We'll post the Mint videos up next weekend. So we'll see you guys.
That's gonna be awesome video.
Yeah, we had a blast. So we'll see you guys next weekend.
Hope you guys had a great weekend. Bye.